Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the lunchtime market update for Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we are at the market here today. So we had a nice push up this morning. Now we're down 10 bucks, right, as we were pushing off the mid Bollinger Band right here. So we could see on the weekly chart, we took the inside week up, filled the open gap, and now we're putting an upper shadow off of that today, right? So bullish still proving otherwise, but they're sure trying to prove otherwise as we gap up today nicely, and then they reverse it right off of it, right? So a nice gap fade today after it filled its gap. So let's see here if we continue to hold this upward trend line and hold above the cloud. So let's take a look at the price action today. Let's pull up the SPY. Okay, so the SPY, pretty interesting right here. So starting to break down a little bit here, testing the lows of the day. Quick little setups here, kind of scalpy setups as we're trending down here under the 80 MA, well below the 15 orb. We had a nice short this morning off of this today, so great job on that one as we failed to kind of break up, right? We started to see it curl over pre-market, and then once we got up below that 15 orb low, we had a nice move down there. So let's take a look and see how everything's looking on the futures. Very interesting day today. It looks like this thing's getting ready to pull back again here. So retesting the low of the day. Might have to actually stop the video and do a trade. But testing the low of the day right here. So let's see how that holds. And putting in a lower shadow right now. So a little bit scalpy right here, but watch out for a break on the low of the day here on the ES and on the MES, on the micros. Let's take a look at the Qs. So a lot of the tech names really got beat up pretty hard today, so this is definitely leading the way down. Big earnings this week, so there's been a lot of flow out of this sector today, and we're seeing a lot of nice setups here on the to the short side on the Qs. Stocks like Apple, right? Nice move to the downside today. Inside 15 takes your 15 orb down, and another inside 15 down here now at the bottom of a channel range. Tesla. A great downside move this morning. Big upper shadow off of all the pre-market levels and an inside 15 to take you down out of the 15 orb low this morning. Also, Amazon. This was a nice short opportunity here this morning. We pointed this out on the live stream here today. Inside 15 down, so that was a good one on that. On the other side of things, we look at a Dow stock right here. Triple M up 3 points this morning, so but just because of the gap right now, so it also broke down with the rest of the market here too. A few chart requests that are out there. Let's get these pulled up. APTO. Okay, looking pretty interesting right here, right? Aptos Biosciences. Okay, so it's we broke out above this geometric trend line, so I got a nice move up. We retested it yesterday, inside day today, as it's holding the 21 moving average. So see if we can how it closes today, and if we can break out above that. Disney actually gave some nice moves this morning, so nice follow through from yesterday's green candle. Strong at the open, right? Was the first one to really kind of push out there today, and then got to be careful here, right? So came back down really fast. That's why we keep stops up and keep an eye on the rest of the market too. Roku, another interesting one today too. This gave a great short setup as well. I love this. One of our members even pointed this out for us in the live stream this morning. It was a great opportunity. Upper shadow right here at the 15 orb low on an inside 15 candle, which pushed it all the way down to a prior gap level. So good stuff there, or prior inside day level right here. So a nice move on Roku today, and also breaking out of this triangle pattern too. Facebook with earnings coming up pretty soon. Okay, nice move down here. So we have this tomorrow after the close. So nice pull down off of yesterday's bearish candle, right? So a good reversal follow through on that one from yesterday, and that's also had a few nice little kind of scalpy moves down, but a nice 15 order breakdown this morning. And last, AVGO. Good one here, double inside 15 on the breakdown on that. Let's take a look and see how it's doing on the daily here. It looks like they gapped up today and then upper shadow here and trying to come back inside that range on the weekly. And then here's your gap up right here and push us back in. So good stuff. Let's see how that holds. It's over the 80 MA, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, got to get back to it. So I hope everybody has a great rest of your trading day. Stay healthy and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.